from the Calendar Girl series by Johnny Lightning. 55 Chevy Cameo pickup. Found this at my local Hot Wheels show. Very, very awesome. Bought it from a gentleman named Bruce. Awesome friend, awesome vendor. Gave me an awesome deal. Awesome deal. I couldn't have asked for a better deal. Opening hood, which I will demonstrate in just a sec. Well, I'm demonstrating it right now. Opening hood. Does stay open. I did buy this carded. Got it out the card to give it a little roll. See how well it plays. And it rolls very nice. Metal on metal. Plastic wheel tire combination. But it's a very, very heavy piece. Extremely heavy. Pretty old pickup in terms of I think it came out in the 90s or it was released in the early 2000s. Not quite sure, to be honest with you. The gentleman said that he had it in his collection for a good 15 years plus. He had it sitting there on his table, and I buy things based off of feel. So I was feeling around his table, and I felt the card. I felt some of the blisters there. And I asked him, well, hey, what is this? You know? Well, actually, I asked him, do you have any pickups on your table? And everything he sells is carded. So it's beautiful, right? So he said, yeah, I actually do. And this is one of the first ones he brought out. I quickly pulled the trigger and obviously added it to my collection. He gave me a fantastic deal. I couldn't pass up. He always has good stuff on his table. Always. Like most of the vendors do. But he has a lot of awesome, oh, my neighbor. He has a lot of awesome old pickups. And Johnny Lightning makes some damn good old pickups. Unlike now, you know, Johnny Lightning's okay. But in terms of the yesteryears pickups from Johnny Lightning, man, I might even say they're better than Auto World's pickups. Very awesome. Very heavy. Very nice. Thank you for tuning in to Blind Diecast. Don't forget to share it on various platforms, and you have yourself a good Halloween. Stay safe and make sure if you have kids, you check those candies before they eat them. Awesome, awesome Halloween. My favorite candy, man, there's so many out there nowadays. It would have to be the new Snickers with peanuts. But yeah. Make sure if you go trick-or-treating, you stay safe. Thank you so much. See you on the next one.